Imagine war comes to the town where you live and you have to grab the kids and run. After a long journey, you take shelter in a camp with others who fled, but nothing in the camp is in your language. So when one of the kids falls ill, you can't explain to the nurse what the problem is, you can't understand the answer, and you can't read the instructions on the medicine that you're given. That's a situation that's repeated in humanitarian emergencies around the world, which is why TWB's work in crisis response is about ensuring that when disaster strikes, people can get the information they need and want in a language that they understand, and they can make their own needs and concerns understood by service providers. One of the most important ways that we can do that is by listening to affected people's own experiences of language barriers and drawing out insights that can help humanitarians better respond to their information and communication needs. For instance, our research in the latest Ebola response in Eastern Democratic Congo found that the terminology being used caused fear and confusion and was putting people off seeking medical care. Abbreviations and technical terms weren't widely understood. French medical terminology was used in Nande and Swahili, either because equivalents didn't exist in those languages or because they weren't widely used and understood. People told us that they found the information provided confusing and scary, and that they wouldn't go to the doctor if they had Ebola symptoms for fear of misunderstanding and being misunderstood. TWB used those insights to supply translations of key concepts and information materials so that people could understand how best to keep themselves and their families safe. In the current pandemic, making sure that people can get answers to their questions about COVID-19 in a language and format that they understand couldn't be more important. Understanding where terms like social distancing, for instance, are confusing, and providing clearly understood translations and recommendations and practical tools are one way that TWB is using language to help contain the spread of the virus. And we're doing it with your help. Thank you very much.